I bought you these yesterday and you haven't even tried them yet. Seriously. I bought you these soft rocks yesterday in Portrush, thinking you were going to try one at least, but now you haven't barred your backside. You're still playing this game. How you getting on, mate, by the way? Alright? What is it you're playing at the minute? Story mode, GM mode, my rise, what is it you're doing? You gonna tell me you're just not gonna say a word? Oh dear, right, come on, we gotta go because we're heading out shortly. He doesn't know what we're going in for. Big surprise. You've already changed your tune since you were getting in there grumpy 5 minutes ago. He's changed his tune because of what he has in his bag there.
Yeah, I'm happy now.
But we'll show when we get back home.
I'm awake, I'm not tired.
You're grumpy, so you were. We'll show when we get back to the house, but his tune's quite changed. Well, he's a little excited though. Look what he got, guys. A new phone. And which phone did you get, Lewis? Tell everybody.
iPhone 16.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
None of them uses the innocent. Well, guys, why he unboxes his phone here and when I get it open, I'm going to show you a wee short video that I made yesterday while I was away. I was away yesterday in Portstewart and Portrush with a friend of mine. So I'll show you a wee quick montage video of yesterday while this one was. Oh, he's opened it already. Come on, get it on focus. There you go. He did. Right, you're swapping. You're taking my one, and I'm taking that one.
Yeah, I do have no problem. I'll switch. It'd be a no problem switch to me. That phone's better than this phone.
This phone's better.
Yeah.
When I'm using the 15 Pro
Yeah,
Max.
the camera's not on it. Well, the chip's on it's good.
So are you using your new 16 for a vlog next week at WWE, or this weekend? Sorry, we're going to WWE this weekend.
Depends how close they are.
We're about 10 rows in the front.
Oh, no, it depends. You ready?
Oh, here we go. You're a weirdo. You are a weirdo. And I'll be taking that right now.
No, you will not be taking
Joking, I'm winding you up. I give up with you, I really do.
Oh, I'm actually so happy.
Well, while you set up your phone, guys, one wee video here I want to show you from yesterday. I was in Portstewart and Portrush, as I said to you yesterday. I'm going to be quick, sort of like minute and a half, 2 minute montage video. I'll show you yesterday. I had a great time with a friend of mine down in Portstewart and Portrush. So for St. Patrick's Day, and I had a nice cold pint of Guinness, like I said I was going to have in the vlog. So enjoy the wee clip here, and I'll be back in a minute here to show you the rest of his unboxing of his phone. Well, did you get it set up? That's a trendy colour actually. Blue, why blue? You not offer like a black and a silver as well?
I like the blue though. The blue's nice.
Bluey, like that we program Bluey. Oh dear, well you get a photograph with you as well with the new phone for the thumbnail. Early birthday present. Guys, this one here turns 16 next Thursday. Today is Tuesday, so what is it now? 9 days till you turn 16. And this is one of his early presents for his birthday. So there you go. You happy enough?
Mhm. I need to get my other phone fixed, and I can get my stuff transferred over. I hate having not on my stuff.
Well, your father's out tonight at football.
Yes.
It's a bit of a it's a bit of a joyful one tonight for your father. You know why? because I wanted to watch both my old clubs play against each other. Bangor against the Welders.
That's nice.
Yeah, but I'm going down with my friend Cameron, so I'm going to do a match day vlog tonight. So I am. So, but you happy enough?
Of course I am.
So yes, guys, Lewis's birthday. Oh, by the way, I forgot to ask you. Next, remember you were talking about the podcast coming back and all. You said you wanted to come on.
I never said that, but okay.
You did. We were talking a few weeks ago about it. And you said you would come on and talk about things. Okay. And you were like, "Oh, I'll talk about things, Dad, that you don't understand and all, and I'll confuse you and stuff."
Mm-hmm.
Well, then there you go. Oh, by the way, have you seen the Logan Paul's new video from the Wembley thing? No. He actually had a GoPro strapped to his chest. Do you know that?
Who did?
Logan Paul. Not that you're ever paying attention to me because you're probably texting someone, but anyway. Logan Paul had a GoPro strapped to his chest.
I know.
In his vlog, he's seen him doing the training and all, and he kept saying, they're all like, "Oh, you're a YouTuber?" He's like, "No, I'm not. I'm a WWE superstar." No, he's a jackass. Right, well, enjoy your new phone. So yes, guys, 9 days from now, this clown turns 16. Let's have a look at your phone before. But yeah,
You need to make set up my phone first.
it's a nice case, actually. The girl gave you a nice case, didn't she?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Let's see the cover, the cover there.
What cover?
That there.
That's why I opened that.
Oh, is that your screen protector? Let's have a look.
I don't have it.
Is it a good one? Yeah. Well, it obviously came directly from the store, so yeah. 60% recycled glass. There you are. Well, enjoy your new phone. I'm gonna go get ready for football. I look like an absolute mess. By the way, in case you hear that clicking noise, it's him texting with his buttons. Click, click, click. Do my head in. Well, I'm gonna go up here and get a shave and a shower and get ready to go to football tonight. Going to watch my two old clubs play tonight. Hoping for plenty of goals and plenty of action tonight. So I'm gonna do a match day vlog, guys. I want to get this one put out before I go. But yes, I was telling the listener about the podcast and stuff. I've been doing a bit of research online to try and get stuff set into place now for a video podcast as well as an audio podcast. So I've got a desk. So I've got a desk now to work with. Just need to get myself a chair and some microphones. And well, I've got a microphone, but obviously not one's podcast quality. So we'll get that all set up hopefully very, very soon. So the podcast is still coming because some of you are keeping asking for it. We off to put stuff in the bin. But anyway, it's a beautiful night outside. Look at that. Oh, it's a beautiful night outside for football, and I am looking forward to getting down tonight to watch the game. Lewis is not going. I'll send my regards to the ones who are asking about you. He's heading out tonight to a friend's house. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go. So thank you for watching today. I had a great day yesterday in Portrush and Port Stewart. Went in for some lunch. By the way, Lewis, that pizza in that place was unbelievable. I think that's the best pizza I've ever tasted. It was incredible. So we'll have to head back down in the summer. I was down there, didn't do any vlogging this week. I just done a wee quick montage video of the bit of the scenery and stuff. Didn't do any of the shops or the arcades or nothing like that there. Just went down for a wee drive with a friend of mine. And went down and had a good time. So I did. So went out for some lunch and went for a walk, and then we stopped off in Port Stewart, had ice cream, and then we just took a drive home. And then I came home last night and watched Monday Night Raw from Brussels. So on Netflix. That was pretty much my day yesterday. I just wanted to have a day where it was just a nice wee day away from everything. But anyway, guys, yes, that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. So it's Lewis's birthday next Thursday. So if you want to send him any birthday messages, we're going to do birthday messages read out on his birthday vlog. Haven't done that for a couple of years. So if you want to get any messages into Lewis, my social media links for the Facebook page where you can drop a message to us, or Instagram. You can send me a message on the links in the description, and I'll sit down and read them out to Lewis on his birthday, and we'll read the best ones out on the vlog as well. So if you have any special messages for Lewis on his 16th birthday, get them in now, because you have about 9 days to do it before his birthday, before he turns 16. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video today, please drop a like on it. Also hit subscribe below. And until the next one, guys, which will be later on tonight when I go to the football, I'll look a lot cleaner and shaved and fresher at the match day vlog tonight. I will see you all later on tonight, guys. Thanks for watching.